Hello family, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make the perfect pancakes, perfect for breakfast or snacks. Let's get straight to today's video. To my silver bowl I'm going to add half a cup of milk at room temperature. I'm also going to go in with half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use melted butter. So for the milk and water, you can just decide to use 1 cup of either of them, 1 cup of water or 1 cup of milk. And then right here I have my vanilla essence. I want this to be more vanilla-y. Vanilla-y, is that even a word? So I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. And then right here I have my baking powder. For the baking powder I'm going to use 1 tablespoon, not heaped. And then I'm going to go in with 4 tablespoons of sugar. That is just a 1/4 cup of sugar. You can measure using a cup. And then I'm now going to go in with my whisk. So right here I have 1.5 cup all-purpose sweet flour. What I'm going to do is to add it in bit by bit as I mix. So I'm just going to add half of the flour in first, and then I'm going to use my whisk over here to mix it up. The trick is to add enough flour and make a medium thick batter. Yeah, for the mixing you can use a spatula and just make sure you scrape the sides of your batter so you can get rid of any flour. Yeah, we want this batter to be flowing and lump free. Yeah, and who needs to go to the gym if you can use a whisk? Okay, so in my other video that I uploaded a few months ago, I used a sieve and a jug, and then I used it to strain my batter. If you don't want to do all that process, just take your time to mix this up thoroughly. You can even beat it. So today I feel like I woke up on the right side of my bed. My butter is so smooth. You see this? I mean, there are no flour lumps in it. Literally, there are no flour lumps in this, you guys. Actually, this is a little bit much easier if you are making banana pancakes or sweet potato pancakes. I would have definitely strained my batter. Our batter is ready and it's smelling heavenly. So moving on, I'm going to fire up my stove. And right here I have my non-stick pan. So I'm going to be very clear with you here again. If you're using a silver pan that is not non-stick, the one that gets heated very fast, you are going to need to balance your heat. You are going to need to turn off your stove at times, yeah, so that you don't burn your pancakes. You have to use low heat for your pancakes. That is definitely obvious. It's mandatory. Yeah, that's the right word for it. So what we need to do is to preheat this pan until medium hot, which it is. So let me just go ahead and add my butter so you can see how I'm doing this. I'm just going to use my my serving spoon here to add my butter in. I don't want this to be so messy. If you like your pancakes a little bit tinier, you can just add 1 serving spoon of your butter to your pan. But for me, I love my pancake a little bit thinner and larger, you know. I want the inside of my pancake to cook. So all I'm going to do is to wait until the bubbles form on top of my pancake and until the upper part of the pancake dries up. That is a clear indication that the lower side of your pancake is cooked enough. So as you can see, the bubbles are forming and they are disappearing. And another thing you need to make sure you do is to not forget baking powder. At times when I'm making my pancakes, I usually forget my baking powder. And then I realize that later, and it's not very good. It's like you're making creepies. So this is how on top of my pancake looks. So right now it's actually a nice time for me. I'm just going to use my spoon here. I'll move it around to unstick my pancake. Just do it gently and slowly. If you prefer, you can grease your pan. Actually, it's a must if you're using the other pan that I've been talking about, the one that gets heated really fast. I'm not going to move it around, rock and roll. So you guys, I really love cooking, and yeah, I was not very good when I started my channel, and I'm actually getting really better, and I'm really grateful yeah, for making all these tutorials. I've really learned a lot, really a lot. I can just say a lot. I'm going to flip my pancake as you've seen over there, and then I'm just going to use my spoon here to remove the air bubbles in it so the inside of my pancake can dry. I'm just going to apply a little bit pressure on the pancake, not so much pressure that is going to break your pancake. You see how this other side of the pancake turned out golden brown and looking nice. So you have to wait until those bubbles form. So the first side is going to take you at least 2 to 3 minutes to cook, and you have to use low heat, and then the other side will just take you the same minutes. And for a non-stick pan, it's going to be very easy for you to time it. So you're just going to eyeball it. You need to check on your pancake. As you can see, this other side is also turning golden brown, and pressing on it works really great in removing the air bubbles. I love my pancakes fully cooked, even in the inside. Yeah, I know I'm preaching a lot, and I'm super hungry today too. I need these pancakes to turn out good. Look at that side. If it turns golden brown like that, that means your pancake is just ready. Don't overdo it until you burn it. I'm going to turn off my stove so I don't overheat my pan, and then I'm just going to need a plate to set this aside. Look at that, I love the color. I'm seeing a little bit of butter sticking here, and it's like burnt. So I'm going to use my tissue paper to wipe my pan. Each and every time before you add your butter to your pan, just make sure that you mix it up. After I add my butter to my pan, I'm going to wait until my pancake becomes holy. Not holy like Jesus Christ, you guys. No. So it's just all about your pancake forming some bubbles on top. You have to wait until your pancake becomes holy. So the wholey I'm talking about, it's just the word whole with a he and a y at the end. You see the bubbles are disappearing. I'm just going to go in with my spoon and then I'll just unstick it again. So this is actually just the process. It's very simple and easy, and it needs patience to make a good pancake. You see that side? And just take your time to cook a good food so you can learn. We all learn from the mistakes. The first time I actually made pancakes, yeah, I can't even say. It was really terrible. I didn't know the tips and my butter was lumpy and everything was a mess. And I actually uploaded that video. Although I got the hang of it at some point and some of my pancakes turned out much better, but the truth is I was using a silver pan, and if you don't regulate your heat, your pancakes become a mess. Okay, so I'm going to just move it around, rock and roll. And then another thing that you need to do, to remember to do, is to press on it to remove the air bubbles so your pancakes can cook. So you guys, I hope if you're in this with me through this journey, I've learned a lot, and I'm sure if you've been watching my videos, you've learned a lot too. Yeah, I'm going to finish the other butter off camera. I feel like I've explained enough. You can check out how to make my brown butter sweet potato pancake recipe. It's very good, you guys. Although the video was a little long, just a little, but it has all the details that you're going to need. All of it is there. Check out my other recipes on my channel again, and check out my playlists. You're going to love a bunch of my videos in there. Yeah, and I will be happy if you join me in this journey, you guys, so we can learn together and have a little bit of skills in the kitchen. It's good for a woman, you know, and even for a man. So my pancake is ready. I'll set it aside and continue the process. So here we go, my pancakes are ready, and this is how they look up close to camera. You can serve your pancakes with honey, maple syrup, sugar syrup, anything you want with your pancake. Just go ahead and do that, provided it makes you happy and you make them with love. I know you're going to enjoy them. So for me, I actually don't take sugar, especially for my tea. Yeah, I eat a little sugar, so I'm not going to lie to you that I'm going to add my sugar syrup that is just cooking right here, right now, to all these pancakes. So I'll just make the sugar syrup for Milan. Yeah, Milan really loves pancake, you guys. I didn't just tell you that. I hope you like this video and you follow the simple and easy tutorial and the steps that I've explained in the video to make a perfect pancake for your family. I know your family is going to love it and enjoy it. For the sugar syrup, just balance 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water, a ratio of 1 to 1, and then bring it to a boil for at least 5 minutes and it will be ready. You can strain it if you want, but it's not actually a must. So I actually love to serve my pancakes when they're still warm. That way they're much tastier. I don't know how you like your pancake, warm or cold. Yeah, just do whatever makes you happy, you know? So what I was saying before, to make sure that your pancake cooks even in the inside, you see this? If I move it around like this, you can just see that. I don't like pancakes that are mushy or something like that. I know I'm preaching a lot, but I know you got the points, you guys. So let's give this a test. When I take much sugar, I cough a lot. I had a sore throat for a week for a recipe I made, and I didn't actually upload it because I didn't like it that much. These pancakes are really good. Oh, I'm talking anything again. You can taste the vanilla. They're very good. So thank you so much for watching this particular video, and I hope you try it at home. It's very simple and easy, and they're perfect for snacks or for breakfast. Yeah, kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. Thanks for watching again, and see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe. Yeah.